Boeing 737 MAX was the fourth generation of the Boeing 737. The first flight was on January 29th, 2016. The plane was good at the start until 29th of October 2011. Lion Air Flight 610 flew from Jakarta to Pangkal Pinang, and mid-flight, the Boeing 737 MAX that was flying there crashed to the Java Sea. The investigation said that the 73 MAX's AOA sensors fed erroneous data to the MCAS, causing the nose to pitch down. In simple words, a machine in the cockpit which is responsible for controls sent an incorrect signal to the control, so the plane went down. Just several months later, on 10th of March 2019, Ethiopian Airways Flight 002 had the same problem. The Boeing 737 MAX's AOA sensor sent incorrect signal to the controls, causing the plane to crash. In both of the crashes, no one survived. On March 11, 2019, the grounding from the Civil Aviation Administration of China, or CAAC, was received, so all the Boeing 737 MAXs were grounded, and after almost a year, grounding stopped. Also, other groundings were received, like Icelandair, Turkish airliners, and etc. Then there was Alaska Airlines Flight 1282, which door tore off and flew away, which made the aircraft pressurized even though there were only three minor injuries. Alaska Airlines also grounded 737 MAXs not long time ago. So Boeing is planning to make another regional good plane called the Boeing 797, which I told in the Dreamliner documentary, and hopefully Boeing will fix its problems. But that's it for today. Subscribe.